Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can recreate Kim Kardashian look at Met Gala 2025 without a VIP and dress to impress. Okay, first of all, you can use this hairstyle and also this makeup, and then we're going to wear set from the style showdown. So make sure you have win this set. Okay, we're going to wear the dress, and then I'm going to go to the necklace area, and I'm going to wear I'm going to wear this necklace, this one, and this one as well. And then I'm going to wear this one, okay, and then let's color them white. I'm going to make them all white like this, and for this one as well. Okay, just make them white. Okay, and then the last one, we're going to go to the hat area, and we're going to wear this hat and then color it black. Okay, just make the color all black, and then this is the final result. And you can add shoe. Let's go back to this shoe area, and then I'm going to wear this shoe. Okay, and that's all the way to recreate Kim Kardashian look at Met Gala 2025 without VIP and dress to impress. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.